Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I will show you how to fix Snapchat lag in Motorola G67. So before starting video, please subscribe the channel and like the video. So let's start the video without wasting time. First of all, restart device. Swipe down, open quick setting panel. Click on power off icon and click on restart. After click on restart, restart your phone device. Now go back. After that, clear app cache. Open setting. Scroll down, click on apps. Now here you will see app search Snapchat. Now click on Snapchat. Scroll down, click on storage, add cache. Scroll down and click on clear cache. After click on clear cache, Snapchat will be clear cache from your phone. Now go back. After that, software update. Open setting. Scroll down, click on system updates. Scroll down, click on check for updates and click on update. After click on update, your phone software will be updated from your phone. Now go back. After that, reinstall Snapchat. Open Play Store. Now in Play Store, click on search bar, search Snapchat. Now click on Snapchat and click on uninstall and again click on uninstall and click on install. After click on install, reinstall Snapchat from your phone. This is how you can fix Snapchat lag in Motorola G67. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching this video.